Hi everyone, welcome back to another delicious and interesting recipe. And today we are making prawn salt and pepper. That's not just quick and easy to make with minimal ingredients, but also turns out amazingly delicious and is best enjoyed either as a starter or as a side dish. So let's begin with this amazing prawn recipe. And here I've taken some medium-sized prawns which has been cleaned and deveined with tails intact. And now let's season them with some salt as per taste. Then goes lots of black pepper, as this is the main ingredient in this recipe. Now let's rub the salt and pepper well on the prawns and we'll let them rest for about 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to slice one medium onion into juliennes like this. Then also we'll need some portions of red, green and yellow bell peppers, which I will cut lengthwise into long strips or juliennes like this. Then also we'll need some spring onions. We'll separate the white and the green part. The white portion will thinly slice them in this way. And the green leafy part we will slice them diagonally in this way. Alright, this is done. Next, here in this bowl I have taken 4 to 5 large garlic pods roughly chopped and 1 green chilli sliced diagonally. Now in a plate we will add around half a cup of corn flour and less than 1/4 cup of rice flour. We'll mix this once well. And now into this we will add the prawns seasoned with salt and pepper one by one. Let's coat the prawns well with the flour from all the sides, which will make them super crisp when we fry them. After coating the prawns, we will shake the excess flour and place them one by one in a plate. So coating of the prawns with flour is done, and now time to deep fry them. For that I've already heated sufficient oil in a wok, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the prawns one by one. And now on medium to high flame we need to fry the prawns until they are crisp and deep golden brown from both the sides. And after about 2 to 3 minutes we will check the prawns. They are crisp and deep golden brown from both the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Next, in a pan we'll heat a tablespoon of oil, into which we'll add the roughly chopped garlic. On medium flame we will saute the garlic until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Next, into this goes the onion juliennes. We'll stir them for a few seconds. And as the color of the onion julienne slightly changes, we will add into this the white part of the spring onions as well as the green chilies. We'll quickly give this a stir. And finally into this we will add the red, green and yellow bell peppers, which we will stir only for a few seconds as we want to retain the crunch of the veggies. We'll now quickly season the veggies with some salt as per taste, some black pepper as well as some red chili flakes. Let's mix the seasonings well. And now time to add our crispy fried prawns into the pan. We'll quickly stir the prawns along with the veggies and the seasonings so that the flavors are well incorporated. And just before turning off the flame, we will add some chopped spring onions. That's it. Our crispy prawn salt and pepper is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. And here goes our quick, easy and delicious prawn salt and pepper, which is best enjoyed either as a starter or as a side dish. So friends, I hope you'll try this interesting prawn recipe. Also share your feedbacks. You can also check out my other interesting prawn recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.